Hello, my friend. My name is Patricia Sanangoda. You can call me Tris. I'm majoring PGSD Class 8. The Little Turtle Big Adventure. On upon a time in a peaceful pond lived a little turtle named Toby. Toby. Despite being small, Toby dreamed of exploring the world beyond the pond. One day, he gathered his courage and set out on a grand adventure. Toby encountered friendly frogs with old fish and even made friends with a rainfall. Each new friend shared story and wisdom, making Toby's journey even more exciting. Along the way, he learned the bravery and friendship could turn a small turtle into a hero. After many days, Toby returned to the pond, bringing tales of his adventure. The other pond animals listened with wide eyes, inspired by Toby bravery. From that day forward, the pond felt even more and more magical, filled with the spirit of adventure. Thank you.